Hi there. I was teaching an Excel class this week and I had a question about how to clean up phone numbers when you've got mixed kind of formatting. For instance, this little list I've got here has some parentheses, spaces, some have dashes, and some don't have any kind of formatting at all. So I'll clean this up using the replace option, find and replace, and then we'll apply a special format. Easiest way to get to this, it's on the home tab in the editing group. There's find and select, and you can get to replace. But if you like a keystroke, Control H. Once we're in here, we'll start one character at a time, but it does go fast. So the first character I want to get rid of is the open parentheses, replace with nothing, replace all. Done. Let's do the closing parentheses. This is good if you don't feel comfortable with more advanced functions. Replace all. That's done. Let's do another one. Let's get rid of the dashes. Replace dash with nothing, replace all. Getting closer. And then finally, I'll just do a space because I've got a few of these that have a space in them. Replace with nothing, replace all. Now, I'm down to just raw numbers in there, and that's great. Sometimes you get a set of data with raw numbers. What I need to do here is move into the number group. So you could right-click and format the cells, or you could get into the number, the corner group there of number. Now for this, I'll go to special, and there's actually a nice format set up for phone numbers. Also notice in here zip codes and socials. From phone number, I say OK, click OK, and there I got it. Now the raw number is what's stored up here, and the formatted visual that you get is with the actual parentheses, spaces, and dashes. So I hope that helps you out. Have a great day.